that good. What I think you should do is show these guys before they get a pump on. Yeah. One more. Stretch. Push. Yes. Yeah. Big hold in 18, and then power up.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's it. Warm up. What's up, guys? So today we're back. We're doing a biceps and triceps here at the Dragons Lair. We just finished up a podcast with this guy. Back to me, forget this guy. But we are doing a arm workout, biceps and triceps. We started off with a 100 rep set. Every one of these handsome fellas here all seen myself and Eddie Hall doing that workout. So they all said, that's a breeze. Eddie's a wimp. Actually, it was Evan that said it.
It's a breeze. Eddie's a wimp.
Oh my God. Back to me again. So we've just done the 100 reps. This size of Adam's arms. He didn't walk in the gym like that. His arms were big. But but yeah, we put a lot of volume in. We put 300 reps in here. Should we do one more?
I'm good.
Okay, we'll do one more, just for content.
One more, just for content, Adam.
Well, he said it was a corrupted file, so we might have to do it one more time. But let's go. Obviously, I'm setting myself up for this too, so we're all laughing and joking, but we're probably going to do 3 sets of biceps, 3 sets of triceps. Sound good to you?
Sound good to me.
Yeah, so let's go. Yep. Same control pace. Full stretch behind the head. Over your heart. That's it. Control it. Good. That's it. Just pick up the pace a little bit. That's it. When you get 18, rest, pause, stretch, explode. Boom. Woo! Nine, 8, 7. Come on, Adam. 6. Push. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, just hold it back. Sit there. Right back. Go back all the way. Just let it hold. And drive. Same again. Let it hold. Pull. Drive. That's it. Don't even put the lock out. Just the same. Just half a rep. That's it. Back down. Let it hold, let it stretch, and drive. Last one, come on, Adam. Let it pull, let it stretch, drive. Yeah. There we go. I'm fucking talking about my man, that's not fun. Now stretch, let it pull back, pull, drive. Back up, stretch, push. Stretch, push. And again, come on, Evan. Push. Yep. Yes. Go. Good fucking set. Easy, bro. Make the fit. Oh, boo. Easy. Just 20. Get them elbows high, and you can dip into them if you need to. There we go.
Or how many?
Like, it all depends, like 8 to 10.
Not that,
yeah. But that was like, I was running and gunning then, bro. I was training with Dallas.
You what?
I was training with Dallas then.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
All right, right here, so don't do that because your leverage is going to be right off. So what you need to try and do is try and make yourself as small as possible in this machine, which I know is fucking incredibly, it is possible. So I was gonna fucking stand in front of you and you come over.
I was
You
gonna
get all excited. So you need to try to get down to here.
Okay.
So think.
And I'm not
Straight
bracing
down,
off of the
high
pad?
elbows. What do you mean?
I'm not bracing my chest on the pad?
No,
Okay.
no. Look where I'm at. I'm here.
Okay.
Yeah. Feet here. Get down as much as you can. So you're trying to. But try to straighten your body up a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, try that. There we go. Higher elbows. Good. Higher the elbows, more stretch. Yes. Yes. He looks like he's playing on a kid's machine.
Yeah, it does.
It looks like. Yeah, I mean, is he allowed?
No.
Is he allowed?
No. Now he's gonna rip my off.
The lower you are, the more stretch, you know? Yeah. Oh, look at that. That's fucking perfect. Beautiful, man. Good, Nick. If we do 3 tricep movements and 3 bicep movements, I think it suffices. And plus, you've had a big dad day.
I still have back to do.
You're doing back too?
I'm gonna do lats after we're done.
That's like a fucking 3-hour workout, no?
My average is about 4.
Wow, really?
Well, I do all my compounds, and then
Yeah.
I'll do a secondary compound for deadlift. It'll be like bent over rows or something that directly assists deadlift. I actually do bodybuilding workout for the rest of my
Yeah.
training. I do all this stuff all the time.
So how do you fuel your workout? Do you drink things like BCAAs or EAAs
Yeah.
throughout the workout? Okay, because that's a fucking big duration not to
Yeah.
have any type of nutrients or any type of macronutrients or
Usually
anything.
around 3 hours though, if I'm still training and I still have stuff to do, I'll down a protein drink to get the calories into.
Okay.
Like I'm about to run back to your office and grab one of my core lives.
Yeah. Okay. Oh man, that would be coming up. But if I drank a protein shake, that would be. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. My bad.
Got it. All you. There you go. Come on. You look pretty when you're working like actually hard.
Ah!
I think it's the strain.
I can't remember. I was going to go 30 and I said, no. That was good. It's so much better when I have leverage. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going, keep going, keep going. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It turned gay fast. Easy!
That's all I've been thinking about. It's literally all I've been thinking about.
Go back there. So what we're going to do here
Skull
is...
crushers?
Yeah, hold on. I want you to do this. Just go into it. Yeah. I want you to reach back as much as you can. Give me a bend elbow. As much as you can. So keep your elbows tight. I want you to reach back as much. Is that full range of motion?
Yeah.
You gotta open yourself up. Yeah. Start really. You should get some work done.
Trust me, I know.
Yeah.
I know.
But how I got more flexible was doing stuff like this with a dumbbell.
Yeah.
And holding it. Come back up. Go back down, and then I get work done. Just control them. Control them. This is bodybuilding. Nice, nice, nice. Squeeze. Good, brother, good. Try and put the dumbbells here. Yes, yes. Beautiful, bro. You got it.
Come on, Evan.
Hold it. Yes. Woo. Woo. You see that fucking beauty?
Yeah.
Oh man, I didn't know you had such. Holy shit. You see that shit? Fuck me, the big man got flow. Show me some more.
He's out of the way.
Oh, look at this guy. Give me some more dramatic posing. Jesus. I didn't know there was so much grace in that guy. You do the butterfly?
It's your fault.
I wouldn't have recognized you with just a hat to give it away. What's up, man?
Good, buddy. Are you okay?
Welcome to the Dragons Lair.
How you doing, buddy?
I'm doing good. How about yourself? Flight doing good?
How you doing, man? You good?
Yeah, I'm good, man. Just a little tight.
You are, both you guys are closet bodybuilders. Well, you're actually that bodybuilder.
He's a failed bodybuilder.
I am. That's why I went to Strongman. See, what happened was I kept growing after I turned 12.
Oh.
So I didn't have a choice. I was pushed out of bodybuilding.
You talking about me or you talking shit about him?
I got completely different
I
script
was fucking giving you props. I was like, you officially are bodybuilder, but then he was like, then he comes back with some shit talk.
That's how I show my affection.
It's not.
That's all you know what you like.
That's how he shows his
Oh, okay. How you doing? Dad, you on the phone? Yeah. Came fourth world's strongest man. What do you pick?
I got fourth.
Fourth, straight fourth. This is the fifth, fourth. Yes.
Evan.
Yeah, I've done podcasts with these guys.
Very nice to meet you.
First of all, you haven't contacted. Today was the first day that you contacted me.
Just
after you
walking into
landed.
some fucking.
You didn't contact me whatsoever.
I didn't know when you were getting in.
What was that? That's close.
Oh my God.
That sounds like a good thing. You know, the expo thing.
Yeah. At this time,
Slow down. Squeeze. That's it. Squeeze. Make this fucker hard, bro. This is bodybuilding. Squeeze. Control. Squeeze. Good, come on.
What are we doing for the last five?
Just keep going. You're a bit of a different beast. Keep going. Nowhere close yet. Come on.
Trey, you're fat.
Focus. All right, come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest, pause in your legs. Hold it there. Singles. 1. Rest, pause. Control. Up. Control. 3. Squeeze the top, come on. Make it hard. 2, squeeze. And again. Up. Okay, fast reps, whatever you got. Go as fast as you can. Finish it off, come on. You got it, come on, 2. Yeah. Good set. Good set. 3, 2, 1. Now rest, pause. Hold it there, hold it there. 1, 2, 3 more. 3. What's your back Nick? 2. Last one, and then whatever you got in the reps. Go. Even if they're small, Go, crank them out. 1, 2, 3.
Push.
2.
Come on.
Yeah, good. All right, we just wrapped up a bicep and tricep workout with these two guys, Adam and Evan. Listen, you can see the champion mentality both these guys have because they kept on asking for more volume, more reps, more sets. Unfortunately, I have to go home and pick up my kids. So, what do you think of the workout?
Can't lift my arms, I'm good.
Really?
It's a lot different than we're used to. Probably twice the amount of volume.
Yeah.
10 to 12 reps is kind of what we work in, so that sets to 20 on everything killed us.
When's the last time you've done a bodybuilding workout?
Not like that, never.
Nothing.
Never like that. Nothing like that ever.
It's been a couple of years.
Yeah.
It brought me back to my old bodybuilding days because back when I was getting ready to do bodybuilding and preparing for a show, this was every single training session for me. So it was a nice stroll down memory lane.
Well, what I've kind of set myself up for now is they want me to come to them and I got to do their training session.
Yep.
So I think I got my work cut out for me. But until then, from this guy and this guy, out.